Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Easy English Channel. I'm Anna, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple and fun way.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. In this podcast, we focus on English for beginners. So even if you're just starting, you'll find it easy to follow along.
Today, we're going to listen to a simple conversation between two people. You'll hear how they talk about everyday things using easy words and short sentences.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything right away. Just listen carefully and try to get used to the sounds of English.
After the conversation, we'll explain a little more about what they said and why it's useful for beginners.
So, let's start.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thanks. What is your name?
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the United States.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes. What do you do, Anna?
I am a student. I study English. And you, Alex?
I work in an office.
That's good. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. It's interesting.
That's nice.
What do you like to do, Anna?
I like to read books and listen to music. What about you?
I like to play sports and watch movies.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Alex.
Nice talking to you too, Anna.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Did you notice all the useful phrases we just heard? Even simple greetings like hi and hello, or polite questions like how are you, are very important for beginners.
And short answers like I am good, thank you, or I am fine, thanks, make the conversation polite and easy to follow.
Introducing yourself is simple too. What is your name? And my name is. Remember to say nice to meet you when you meet someone for the first time.
Asking about someone's origin and job is easy as well. Where are you from? What do you do? And hobbies. What do you like to do? I like.
These are all basic, everyday phrases that you will hear very often in English. Practice saying them out loud to become more confident.
Try listening to this conversation several times. Maybe even imagine yourself having the same conversation with a friend. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Remember, every big journey starts with a simple, easy step. Keep practicing and you will get there.
If you liked this episode, make sure to follow Easy English Channel. That way you won't miss our future episodes filled with tips and easy conversations for beginners.
And if you know someone who is just starting to learn English, share this podcast with them. It could really help.
Hit the notification bell too so you never miss a new episode. We have many more simple and fun lessons coming up.
Thank you for learning with us today on Easy English Channel. Join us next time for more ways to make learning English easier and more effective. Bye, everyone.